It was almost time for the monarch of festivals, the Parvadiraj Paryushan Parva. While the whole Jain community prepared for the revelry, the children of Srimad Rajchandra Divine Touch were not ones to get left behind. The little lives of Arhat Touch wanted to spread to the world what they learnt about the great Jain religion. The exhibition was a result of exemplary teamwork. The core team conducted in-depth brainstorming sessions. The curriculum team transformed the innovative ideas into practical concepts. The creative team channeled their skills towards making attractive display material. The public relations department made strategies to help these children spread the message to as many people as possible. With over 100 sadhus and sadhvis blessing the occasion.
તો નૌકાર મંત્રનો ન આપણે ક્યારે સાંભળી શકીએ તો કે કીધું છે કે મોહનીય કર્મની 70 કોડાકોડી છે એમાંથી 69 કોડાકોડી તમે ખપાઈ નાખો ત્યારે નૌકાર મંત્ર ન સાંભળવા મળે તો આપણે જે બાળકોને આપણે આપીએ છીએ અને બાળકો પોતે કેચઅપ કરે છે એનાથી પોતે પોતાનું મોહનીય કર્મ ઓછું કરશે અને મોહનીય કર્મ ઓછું કરશે એટલે ઓટોમેટિક એને સંસાર પ્રત્યે વૈરાગ્ય આવશે એટલે આવું જે તમારું આજે આયોજન છે એ બાળકોને બહુ પ્રોત્સાહન આપવાનું છે.
દેવની ભક્તિ, ગુરુની ઉપાસના, સેવા અને ધર્મનું આચરણ, આ તત્વત્રયી આપણા જીવનની અંદર આપણને આ રત્નત્રયની પ્રાપ્તિ કરાવે છે. આ માનવ જન્મ જો મળ્યો છે તો ખરેખર આ મનુષ્ય જન્મની અંદર મેળવવા યોગ્ય જો કોઈ હોય તો આ રત્નત્રયી છે. તો આજે જે કંઈ પણ નાના બાળકોમાં સંસ્કારોનું એક સિંચન થાય, બાળકોમાં સંસ્કારના સિંચન અર્થે આજે જે કંઈ પણ પ્રયત્ન કરવામાં આવી રહ્યો છે બસ એ પ્રયત્નો સફળ બને અને એના દ્વારા બાળકોમાં ખરેખર સંસ્કારનું સિંચન થાય અને બાળકોમાં પણ દેવ ગુરુ અને ધર્મ પ્રતિ શ્રદ્ધા વધે, દેવ ગુરુ અને ધર્મ પ્રતિ બહુમાન વધે. જે સંસ્કારનો સિંચનનો પ્રયત્ન છે બસ એ પ્રયત્ન આગળ વધે અને આ બાળકો પણ સાચા શ્રાવક બને. એમના જીવનની અંદર પણ જે આજે એ તમે એમને જે સબ્જેક્ટ આપ્યો છે પછી સબ્જેક્ટ એમના જીવનમાં ઉતરે અને એ પણ ભવિષ્યના એક સાચા શ્રાવક બને એવી શુભ
Jai Janendra, just like we begin all ceremonies with the auspicious chants of the Navkar mantra, the inaugural stall of this exhibition is based on the Navkar mantra and its deep secrets. The Navkar mantra is such a powerful mantra that by simply uttering a letter of this Maha mantra even once washes away negativities and impurities collected over lifetime. We offer our respect to the Panch Parmeshti. This is the mala. It's also called a Navkar Vali. This part is called the Meru. A mala has 108 beads. And now I'm going to tell you how are there 108 beads in the mala. Arihant Bhagwan has 12 gunas. Siddha Bhagwan has 8 gunas. Acharya Bhagwan has 36 gunas. Upadhyay Bhagwan has 25 gunas and Sadhu Bhagwan has 27 gunas. If you add them all up together, you will get 108. That's how there are 108 gunas in the mala. You should count the mala every day so even you can acquire the same gunas.
These kids are learning with understanding. And what we used to do in Pacha was learning without the meaning, without knowing what we are learning.
Dharma in action. This stall offered what the children like to call a Dharma toolkit, which are Dan, Sheel, Tap and Bhav, which help to strengthen the spiritual roots. Stirring sagas. Motivating stories about great beings like Bhagwan Neminath, Acharya Kunkund, Mahayogi Anand Ghanji, Upadhyay Yashovijayji, Bharat Chakravarti, Aimatta Muni, Gatsu Kumar, and Mahayogi Stulibhadra were told through stage shows, narration, audios, diagrams, and skits.
The play which I just saw here a few minutes back, I was almost down to tears myself. Such small kids knowing about Diksha and giving up the material world, it's superb. I'm really, really touched. Thank you.
In this stall, you learn about the Jain rituals. Here you can see a video and learn about Ashtaprakari Puja. In this video, you will learn about two pujas. The Ang Puja that is done inside the Gabara and the Agra Puja that is done outside the Gabara. Jal Puja jukte karo, melan adi vinash. Jal Puja fal muja hajo, mango em Prabhu paas. By doing Jal Puja, one can get rid of the impure soul that have accumulated since many births. Therefore we say, O Lord, I request you to grant me the fruit of doing Jal Puja.
यहाँ पर जिस प्रकार से बच्चों को सिखाया जा रहा है कि एक जैन धर्म भी कितना अच्छा है और उसको किस तरह से हमें सीखना चाहिए, जानना चाहिए, बहुत ही अच्छी बात यहाँ पर हम सबको भी सीखने को मिली, जानने को मिली.
Jai Janendra, I am Jana Shravika and I am going to tell you of the journey of the soul. There are two types of jeeves, the Sansari jeeves and the Siddha jeeves. The Sansari jeeves are those who are born in all the karmas. They go through the cycle of birth and death. The Siddha jeeves are those who are free from all the karmas. They do not have a body and they reside on the top of the universe, on the Siddha Shila. In Sansari jeeves, there are 5 types of jeeves. I'll start from Ekindriya. The Ekindriya jeeves are the jeeves which have only one sense of touch. The Bendra jeeves are the jeeves which have 2 senses, touch and taste. The Tendra jeeves are the jeeves which have 3 senses, touch, taste and smell. The Chaurendra jeeves are the jeeves which have 4 senses, touch, taste, smell and sight. The Panchendra jeeves are the jeeves which have all 5 senses, touch, taste, smell, sight and hear.
I'll tell you about the Gatis. There are 4 Gatis, Narak Gati, Dev Gati, Tiryanj Gati and Manushya Gati. Now Shri Shravak show you the chalk experiment. Jai Janendra, today we are going to do an experiment. This is a chalk powder. Now blow it down. Now collect these particles and can you make a chalk?
I cannot.
But Bhagwan has told sometimes it is possible. But getting Manushya Bhav is very difficult. That's why we should do the best use of Manushya Bhav by following Dharam all the way.
These kids are such a knowledgeable kids, and they have guided us the importance of Manushya Gati by just a small experiment of showing that blowing the chalk in the air. It just clicks in our mind, how can you waste a Manushya Bhav? You have got your Lord Mahavira, so you should definitely make a best use of it.
The law of karma states that every living being experiences the result of its own actions. Our Jineshwar Bhagavan has taught us the do's and the don'ts. He has taught us the do's so that we can go on the path of which, and he has also taught us the don'ts so that we do not get entangled in it. One of these don'ts are the 18 paths.
So we have a game over here. It's called the Knock Knock game. We have 18 Papasthanas written over here. We need to roll a dice, and whichever number comes in the dice, we'll explain you that kind of Papasthana. It's any one of them.
Rag means the attachment towards something. Example, we visit a shop and we see a very good t-shirt. But when we look at the price tag, we see that it is very expensive. So we visit the shop again and again to see if the t-shirt has gone for sale or not. So rag can make a person blind for the thing that he wants. So to get rid of rag, we should have rag for Arihant Bhagavan. When we have rag for Arihant Bhagavan, we will get qualities like him, and which will help us to go on the path of
Vaishanya. Vaishanya is the 14th Papasthana. It means to backbite, it means gossiping or spreading rumors. Like if I tell a friend not to tell a secret about some friend to anybody, she will then tell it to someone else, and who will then tell it to someone else. In the end, when it reaches that person, it will be much modified. So that is Vaishanya. The key to get rid of Vaishanya is not to spread rumors and to stop it then and there.
I'm very happy to be here basically because it's a very innovative way of putting religion in front of people. Though we know we are born Jain, we know everything about Jainism. Listening from a child's mouth, it's wonderful. How confident they are, how well learned they are, and I think you are doing the great work. Keep it up, all the best. I love the concept.
Jai Jinendra, welcome to the stall of the Karma Trap. We all must have heard of the proverb, as you sow, so shall you reap. But within this meaning of the proverb lies a key to the most profound principles of the Jain religion, and that is the law of karma. There are billions of people in the world, but no two people are the same. Some people are tall, some people are short, some are rich and some are poor. Who is the culprit for all this? The culprit is karma. Now there are 8 types of karmas, and they are Jnananvarnya, Darshanvarnya, Mohaniya and Antaray karma. They are the first 4 karmas, and they are Ghati karmas. They affect only the soul. And the next 4 are Vedniya, Nam, Gotra and Ayushya karmas, and they are the Aghati karmas which affect the body. Take this magnet and just roll it over these pins. These pins are getting attracted to the magnet. This is how the soul attracts the karma and vargana towards them.
It is really amazing to see such small children explaining the soul and the karma and all the theories, the philosophy of Jainism with such motivation and with such vigor. It's like they've understood it and they're using the Gujarati technical terms of Jainism, which very often, even as an adult, we may not know. And I think that's the best part of the whole thing.
Tirths, the lands touched by divinity. This stall invited the guests to experience the divine aura of Tirthankar Bhagwans that stays on the various tirths.
Welcome to the land touched by divinity. તમને ખબર જ હશે કે તે શું છે. આજે હું તમને મારા આધાર ટચ વેમાં કહીશ. તે એક એવી જગા છે જ્યાં શ્રાવક, શ્રાવિકા, સાધુ અને સાધ્વી ભગવાનના દર્શન કરવા આવે. તે એક એવી જગા છે જ્યાં તીર્થંકર ભગવાનના 5 કલ્યાણકમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક કલ્યાણક થયા હોય.
Best thing I like is the pilgrimage sites, all the different religious places which we have here. That's an eye-opener, and I was calculating my own self. How many sites have I visited? I think I've not even done 10% of it. Instead of going overseas and enjoying, I want to make it a habit that let's go here.
What comes in your mind when we say the word festival? Paryushan. Paryushan, exactly. Paryushan is one of the festival in our Jain religion. On the 5th day, we rock the cradle when Mahavir Bhagwan was born.
The 8th day of Paryushan is called Samvatsari. It is the day when we ask for forgiveness to God if we've hurt anyone by saying Michhami Dukram. खामे में सब जीवे खमवे जीवे खमंतु में मिट्टी में सब भूवेसु वैरम मजम न के नहीं.
I wish I could just be as small as these little kids and join these classes now and be touched by Arhat Touch, because I've got to learn so much today on Jain religion, and I'm so glad that I'm taking back so much knowledge and so much spirituality back from here.
Jai Jinendra, my name is Samyak Shravak and today we are going to talk about Chaitya Vandan. We do Chaitya Vandan to sing the praises of the Lord. There are 7 main sutras in Chaitya Vandan. They are Namotunam Sutra, Anatha Sutra, Jai Viharai Sutra, Jankinchi Sutra, Uvasagaram Sutra, Iryavayam Sutra and Logasa Sutra. And now my friends will explain you about Jai Viharai Sutra.
We'll start with the first stanza. The first stanza is Jai Viharai Jag Guru Ho Mamam Tu Pabhav Bhayavam Bhava Nivyo Maghanusarya Itta Phala Siddhi. It means that, O Lord, O detached Lord, O Lord of the world, with your grace, let me leave all my worldly pleasures and walk on the right path to attain moksha. The last stanza is Sarva Mangala Mangalyam Sarva Kalyana Karanam Pradhanam Sarva Dharmanam Jainam Jaiti Sashanam. And this means that the auspicious of the auspicious, the causes of all well-beings, the foremost of all religions is none other than our own Jain religion. Thank you.
I have been extremely impressed by the knowledge of the students. Young students have such a deep knowledge of religion. For values of life, they will be able to understand better than what I understand. So it's a great thing that we have done here. And whatever little that I know of Jainism, I think I would have better known through these children. So I'm extremely grateful.
Conscientious and compassionate cooking. The children showed how even a mundane, everyday activity like cooking can be performed with ahimsa at its core. Towards this end, they donned chef's hats and aprons to teach quick and compassionate recipes to prepare delicious snacks, beverages and desserts.
આ જોઈને એક બહુ આનંદ થયો છે મને કે આની પાછળની જે કલ્પના છે અને જે મહેનત કરી છે, કારણ કે આ છોકરા માટે નેચરલ નથી, પણ છોકરાને મોટિવેટ કરવા, એમને પ્રિપેર કરવા, એ છોકરાઓ આટલો પુરુષાર્થ કરે છે એટલે એ શ્રદ્ધા વગર ના થાય. એટલે એમને પ્રેરણા થઈ, પ્રેરણાથી કંઈ સમજણ થઈ, સમજણથી શ્રદ્ધા થઈ અને શ્રદ્ધાથી આ છોકરા પુરુષાર્થમાં પડ્યા છે. એટલે આ ખરેખર એમના છોકરાઓમાં આવવાવાળા પર કંઈ પડે કે નહીં, પણ આ બધા છોકરાઓની અંદર સંસ્કારનું એક દીવું બહુ સરસ રીતે પડી ગયું છે એવું દેખાય છે.
અમદાવાદની વીઆર શાહ સ્કૂલમાં ગમ્મત સાથે ધર્મ અને જ્ઞાનની પ્રાપ્તિ થાય તે ઉદ્દેશ્યથી 2 દિવસ માટેના કાર્યક્રમનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું છે. ફોરમ શાહ, સંદેશ ન્યૂઝ, અમદાવાદ.
વડોદરામાં પહેલીવાર જૈન ધર્મ વિશેનું એક અનોખું પ્રદર્શન ઇન કમ્યુનિયન વિથ જૈનિઝમ.